Why is ChatGPT breaking the internet? An organization, OpenAI, founded by Elon Musk and Sam Altman, has recently introduced the chatbot named ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is a conversational language model trained by OpenAI. It is an extension of the GPT-3 model, which is a state-of-the-art language processing model that can generate human-like text. ChatGPT is specifically designed to be used in chat-based applications, such as instant messaging or virtual assistants. The key features of ChatGPT are its ability to maintain context and continue a conversation over multiple turns. This means that it can keep track of the previous messages in a conversation and generate responses that are appropriate and relevant to the current topic. How do ChatGPT processes? The user can continue the conversation by inputting a new message, and the process repeats. The chatbot can also learn and adapt to the user's communication style over time.